Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Let's learn with Vidya. Friends, today's our topic is about kinds of sentences. So before seeing the kinds of sentences, let's see first what is sentence. So a sentence is a group of words arranged in a particular order that makes complete sense, that conveys complete meaning to the reader. For example, now here I have written a group of words, that is the sweet mango very. Now when you are going to read this, it can't convey us any sense, it can't convey us any meaning. But when I am going to rearrange the same words and I am going to write here, the mango is very sweet. After reading this, you can get particular idea what the sentence want to convey you. Is that about the sweetness of mango. The mango is very sweet. So when a sentence or a group of words arranged in a particular order that makes complete sense, that time we call that group of words as a sentence. So the sentence has two parts. First is subject and second is predicate. So what is the subject? Subject refers to who or what the sentence is about. The given sentence is about what or about whom, that refers by the subject, that is the subject of that sentence. And a predicate means what? The predicate includes the rest of the sentence without the subject and it has the verb. So the rest of the sentence with verb is called predicate. See, the example is given here. The Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. So now here, what was built by Shah Jahan? So the Taj Mahal. So the Taj Mahal is the subject in this sentence and the rest of the sentence including verb, that is was built, is the predicate. Was built by Shah Jahan is the predicate while the Taj Mahal is the subject. Let's see the another example, that is Sia is a beautiful girl. Now who is a beautiful girl? Then Sia. So Sia is the subject of this sentence and rest of the sentence with verb is, that is predicate. So now here the Taj Mahal is subject, was built by Shah Jahan is predicate. In second sentence, Sia is subject, is a beautiful girl is the predicate of that sentence. So now friends, we are having four kinds of sentences. First one is assertive sentence, second one is interrogative sentence, third one is exclamatory sentence, and the fourth one kind is imperative sentence. So let's see one by one. First one is assertive sentence. So assertive sentences makes statements and it also called as a declarative sentences. So the assertive sentence are making statements or they can declare something like opinion, idea or fact. They can be positive and negative. The statement can be positive or negative in assertive sentence, and always these sentences end with a full stop. So let's see example. The teacher was pleased with the project submitted by Ram. So now here positive sentence is given for your better understanding. The teacher was pleased, very happy, satisfied, we can say, with the project submitted by Ram. While we can take negative example, the teacher was not pleased with the project submitted by Sham. So here we are having negative sentence, negative statement. So here both this positive or negative, it can be a assertive sentence where we are going to make any statement or we are going to declare something like our opinion, idea, fact, all that comes under this assertive sentence. So let's see the second type of sentences, that is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are used to ask questions and these sentences always end with a question mark. So in interrogative sentences we are having both type of questions, that is WH family questions and yes no type questions. WH family questions means what? The questions which start with the word WH word, that is what, why, who, where, how, etc. And SNO type question means what? Which questions answers we are giving yes or no, this way, that's called yes no type question. For example, see, where do you live? So here I want to know the place where do you live. So I live in a Mumbai. So this is the question from WH family. And yes no type question, do you like to play football? Yes, I like. So here answer is expected yes or no. So it is the example of yes no type question. So let's see the example of interrogative sentences. Where is my book? So it's a WH family question. Is it raining outside? Yes no type question. Has she returned home? Again we are having yes no type question example over here. What is your name? And this last one example is of WH family question. So let's see the third type of sentences, that is exclamatory sentence. So exclamatory sentences are used to express strong emotions, feelings, surprise, either shock. And these sentences always end with an exclamation mark. So these are the exclamatory sentences. So for example, see, alas, my favorite singer passed away last night. So here it's a great shock, and the sadness, to show that here the word used alas, then exclamation mark is there. My favorite singer passed away last night. Again exclamation mark is there. So here it used to show the shock. Second example is, what a spectacular view. Means it's a very beautiful scene, to show that what a spectacular view, to show that surprise. So here used exclamatory mark. Again we are having example, for example, what a beautiful place it is. So which words we use to express our sudden feelings, strong emotions, that all used into this exclamatory sentences. So let's see the last one type of a sentence, that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are used to give a command or make a request, either to give an advice, and these imperative sentences always end with a full stop. So for example, see, for give command, shut the door when you go out. So here the command is given, whenever you are going out you just shut the door. Make a request, please turn on the lights. So here the person is requesting to another one, please turn on the lights. Third one about advice example is there, see, we should do exercises daily. So here the advice is given. So these imperative sentences are used to give command, request, either advice. So all these are the kinds of sentences based on their meaning. Okay, that is assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentences.